Mm. And also, I think Hazel had a really great point around creating guidance for our teams to utilize, to use it in a way that ensures safety, setting boundaries, and opening up conversations. It's really important to have those guardrails, isn't there?
Yeah, and I think that's the way you've described it, Hazel, is exactly right. That's the way to do it. And I think AI adoption in an organization has to be both top down and bottom up. And the top down is not setting a strict, rigid policy in place because that restricts the people using AI. And what they'll do is they'll use what's called shadow AI, which is they'll use it secretly without telling their boss, and that opens you up to more risks. But what you want to do is create appropriate guardrails and appropriate training and professional development, and then allow people to use AI from the bottom up. So I reckon every team should have an AI champion. And it probably shouldn't be you if you're the leader or the manager of the team. Find somebody who's enthusiastic about it, excited about it, who's annoying about it, and invite them to be the champion, but also enable everyone to do it. So have it bottom up as well. Because this is new. Like no one's done this before. We haven't had Gen AI except for the last 3 years. So it's not like the people at the top of the hierarchy have any more expertise than anybody else. What they want to do is de-risk, so they put strong policies in place, and what they do is narrow, 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 because that's the way to de-risk. That's what they think, right? That's what's always worked in the past. And you want to have those open conversations bottom up as well.